You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm just getting in from doing a very wet school run. I had like nice curly hair this morning and it's now like rat tails. Yeah, it just absolutely chucked it down and now it's gorgeous. So it's just typical because I didn't take an umbrella, but whatever, it's fine. I've also just been into Home Bargains as well, so I'll show you what I got from there. Nothing exciting, but I'll just show you because I got a couple of bags of stuff. And I just thought I would do a day in the life. It's just a typical day, well, quite typical. I do have Archie off with me today. The other two are in school, obviously, but Archie wasn't feeling very well, so he is having a day off because he didn't get a lot of sleep either, because he's just got a really like awful cough and he's had an earache. So I thought I'd keep him off with me today, just so we can chill out at home and stay warm and, you know. So other than that, fairly typical day where I need to do a little bit of tidying. I need to work, I need to film a video. I've got a load of stuff from Boohoo I shouldn't be buying, but I'm buying things just for like, I'm looking at things for holiday now and trying to work out how many outfits I need to take. Like, it has been that long that I've been abroad, like for a proper like holiday, and obviously the boys haven't been away for as long as we're going away. So I'm just a little bit like, ugh, like packing videos and stuff. I might film my own packing video when I've got it all organised, if that's something that people want to see, because I really want it to be like spot on with everything that I'm taking. But yeah, I'm going to make a coffee because I've not had anything to drink this morning, which isn't very good. I'll have a pint of water as well probably, and I'm also going to make something for Archie to eat. I'm going to set him up in the kitchen with a load of colouring stuff because he wanted to do some colouring. So I'm going to get a load of things out for him in a minute, so that whilst I'm busy he can just get busy doing his colouring and drawings. And I'm also going to put on the audio play series Bibi and Tina on the Amazon Alexa. So I have mentioned them before because it's a brand that I've worked with. So Bibi and Tina is a YouTube, TV and radio plays series, and you can get it on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon and other streaming devices. Yeah, I was introduced to them before, obviously, when they asked me to work with them the first time, and Archie's really taken to it. He loves the stories. So basically what it actually is a really wholesome, child-friendly series that's put together in such a way that when you're listening to the stories, I found that Archie stays really engaged with it. A lot of audiobooks are quite basic and read out, whereas with this, with it being an audio play, there is loads of different sound effects, loads of different voice actors, and I've found that that just really keeps him engaged. I think the one we're currently listening to is called Hannah's Animal Haven. I'm not 100% sure which chapter we're on, but that's what I'm going to put on for him in a minute. Just sweet friendship-based stories of these two best friends, Bibi and Tina, and they ride horses. One of them's actually a witch as well, so there's lots going on in the stories. Just really nice and family friendly, good for winding down. So I'm going to leave the details down below for that. Just a really nice company. I'm glad to be working with them again. But yeah, I'm just going to go set up all of Archie's colouring bits and make him some food, and we can have a little listen to that whilst I get some boring housework done.
All sorts of creatures that live in the forest, even wild boar from behind the milk farm. At night it's like a party here. Here comes Alex, you cesspool. I can't do that. Where would the animals go to drink? What about a giant swamp?
And I almost ran over him.
Do you think he used to be someone's pet too?
Okay, whilst Archie is busy downstairs, I'm going to do a very quick, what time was it? 11 o'clock already. I'm going to do a quick power, maybe not hour, maybe half hour clean. I haven't even made my bed or anything yet, so I still haven't had a coffee. I'll do that after. I'm tidying first, then I can relax with the coffee for like 5 minutes.
You are the one that I will call when I'm drunk. You are the one that I just need to feel loving. You saved me from the broken house that I built. You took me in with open arms, and I still want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love at 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, back, cause I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. It's 2 a.m. and I can't sleep without you. And every wall is getting close, and I don't know what to do. Can't you save my soul? Can't you save my soul? Can't you mend my heart? Can't you mend my heart? I want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Yeah, I want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love at 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, back, cause I got you stuck in my memory.
Do you want to show everybody what you've drawn, Arch? What is it?
No, I'm not sure actually.
It looks beautiful. I like the flowers.
I haven't finished
Look how
it.
smiley the sun is. Hopefully we'll have sun soon, won't we?
It's only spring right now.
Yeah, it's just spring, isn't it now? So we'll start getting sun. We've got all the daffodils growing everywhere, haven't we?
I haven't finished this bit yet because not much of the boys work.
Alright. Well, it looks good. Well done.
One, two, three. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love at 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, back, cause I've got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory.
Right, the house was a little bit tidier. It was an hour in the end, probably more than an hour actually. I'm just going to show what I got from Home Bargains. It's not like dead exciting stuff, but we're just going to do a bit of baking today. I promised the boys that I'll make flapjacks with them. So I got some syrup because I don't know whether I've got loads or not. Yeah, just some Clark's syrup. I was also going to make some Rice Krispie cakes. Because Archie's not as keen on flapjacks, so we've got 3 bags of Haribo marshmallows. Also, I'm sure it's one of you guys that told me to put rainbow drops in them, and I love doing that now. So they'll just be mixed in with all the Rice Krispies. Oh my gosh, I think I need more Rice Krispies. Like the key ingredient, and I don't think I have enough. So maybe another trip to the shop to get Rice Krispies, because yeah, I'm probably going to be able to make about 3. Well done. This is, well, I don't know if it's new, but I've not seen it before. They've got these in the fridges at Home Bargains. They've got this one and they've got a triple chocolate one. I thought this was really good because it's just like instant cookies pretty much. You can just quickly bake some with the cookie dough, and you could probably use this for loads of other things as well. Like you can make little cookie dough balls and put it in ice cream and stuff like that. Ooh. Yes, I thought that was quite a handy little thing just to keep in if you want to do some baking. Also just got some bread and absolutely loads of whatever they are, Seabrook crisps. Oh, and I got a new tray, Jane Asher tray, which I think is going to be just the right depth for flapjacks. So you don't want them too massive. But I just really need to replace all of these trays and things in my house. It's just a really boring purchase, isn't it? So it's something that I I don't really want to buy because it's boring. But yeah, I'm going to put these away. I've got some work to do as well. I really need to make that coffee. Yeah, I've got some emails and editing to do. I've also had loads of stuff delivered from Boohoo. Did I say that already? I can't remember, but I've got to, I might do a separate video for that because there's more than I remember ordering. How mad is it though? Like, I've become so impatient with deliveries now because you get things so quickly. So I ordered this stuff probably about 9 o'clock last night and it's all arrived when I got back from the school run. Like, it's on the doorstep for me. Like, so you don't even have time to think about whether that was a good decision to order all that stuff, do you? But I liked a few things on there for their holiday things, so yeah, I haven't had a proper look. I've just like ripped the bags open. I had a little look through them, but I need to try everything on. But yeah, I might do a separate video for that because there's too much stuff for me to show in this video, really. I also need to walk Rudy. I need to go to the post office. That's probably gonna have to be till tomorrow. Yeah, but the first things first, I'm going to put the kettle on and make a coffee, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of work on the laptop. Archie has finished his drawings now and finished listening to his stories, Bibi and Tina, so now he's watching a film in the living room, coughing his little head off, bless him. So yeah, he'll just sit nice whilst I just get on with a little bit of work.
I don't know if you can see the bad things you do, and I'm losing every piece of respect for you.
Sorry for the random, like, all of a sudden change in time of day. It's been a busy afternoon. I'm home now with the kids. I put my hair up, got into some comfies. I've actually taken my hair extensions out. So I wear tape extensions, and they were just getting really like ratty and needing to come out because obviously they grow out, so you take them out every 6 weeks, 4, 5, 6 weeks, whatever. They were really irritating me earlier, especially when they got all rained on and they just look like they need to come out, and I'll redo them. I find it really easy to do them myself. Obviously I think you're supposed to go to hairdressers, but I don't go to the hairdressers for anything. But yeah, I've had to stick my hair up because I just feel bald when I take all my extensions out. It's hard to get used to the difference. I need it up out the way because it's a bit gross today. Anyway, yeah, we're back from the school run. I managed to get some work and everything done this afternoon, so we are now home to do the promise baking. I, as you saw, went to get some Rice Krispies to actually make Rice Krispie squares, and I think I'm going to make the cookies because that's something that Dill's going to really like. I'm going to make the flapjacks because that's something Toby loves, and the Rice Krispie squares for Archie. So busy old baking. Archie wants to help me, the other two don't. They just want to eat it. I've just asked them all who wants to help, and Archie's like me, and then the other two are like no. So they're just chilling out. They'll appear when they can smell it all coming out the oven. But yeah, just a nice chilled evening of baking and eating. I also really want to watch the, I've got it recorded, the Celebrity Bake Off. I think I've got it recorded. I hope I've got it recorded. I really want to watch that. And I'm really excited that Alison Hammond's going to be presenting it next time, isn't she? With Noel. I'm a massive Bake Off fan. And I love Alison Hammond. I think she's so funny, so I think that's going to be really good. I get really excited about that. It's not even on anytime soon, is it? But I do get really excited about Bake Off time. So yeah, I'm looking forward to watching that, so I might sit and do that this evening with my own baking. Yeah, I'm going to start baking. I don't actually follow any recipe whatsoever for flapjacks or the Rice Krispie squares. I just very much just go by whatever amounts I think, just eyeball it. So it's hard for me to give a specific recipe. I can give one that I have followed before, and this is just like, once you've done it a few times, I feel like you just sort of know how much and the consistency. I say this will probably go horrendous now, but yeah, I'm going to start with the flapjacks and get them done.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight. And you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
What we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Just wanted to film a little outro before I go to bed. I got a little bit distracted. I was going to pick the camera up before now, but me and Toby were watching Dragon's Den, and so I didn't end up watching Bake Off, so I've still got that to watch. After Toby's gone up, I was just watching Katie Price's Mucky Mansion, because I just love a house makeover programme, if that's what you can call it. Some of it is definitely not my cup of tea, the way she's decorated it, but it was an entertaining watch. Yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep in a minute. I feel like it's a bit of a difficult one sometimes doing vlogs at home when the boys are here, because they'll be in videos and they don't mind it, but I'm quite conscious of not putting them in videos very often. Archie's like really keen to be on camera and he loves it, but the other two are getting older. Toby in particular, like, I don't want it to look like it's just Archie all the time and I don't show the other two for any reason other than the fact that Toby's 11, he's going to high school this year, doesn't want to be on his mum's YouTube videos, and I don't blame him. It's always quite nice because once Dylan and Archie go to bed, like we were reading, you couldn't see Dylan on the camera, but he was listening to the stories while we were reading the BFG. Once those two have gone to bed, then me and Toby have a little bit of time together, normally about 45 minutes or something like that, where it's just us, because obviously with having 3 kids it's difficult to have that individual time with them, so that's always nice. So yeah, we just watched Dragon's Den. I was just explaining the concept of what on earth that programme is. Yeah, that's how I've spent the evening, but I'm going to get some sleep now. I need to go and jump in the shower because I just feel really like ugh today. I need a bit of a pamper. Fake tan is patchy as anything. My hair is just an absolute disaster. Eyebrows need doing. You know when you just like feel, I'm just not feeling my best today and I'm very tired, so that's not helping. So big pint of water, have a shower and get in bed in nice fresh pyjamas, ready for another day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. As always, I hope to see you again for my next video. Bye everyone.